Greetings from Little Italia, and I love New York, and we're going to take a walk over from Canal Street to Mulberry Street, as it is a very special day to be here in this section of I Love New York. One would want to return to this section of New York every September, but there is a special day to be here as we are approaching Mulberry Street for the Feast of San Gennaro. And here is the entrance point from Canal Street. Welcome to San Gennaro. And that date to be here is on September 19th. That is the day the patron saint of Naples, Italia is recognized in Europa. But we had some rain in New York this year on the 19th. So here we are on the 20th, and it just shows that you cannot keep people away from San Gennaro. And it's quite crowded, and it runs for quite a few amount of days. And this is a Tuesday. You heard me right. This is a Tuesday in New York City. And the food is delicious. And you got to have the, fried Oreos. Why not? Why not? It is a feast day, and we'll get into a bit of that as there actually is a display celebrating the history and the origins of this, because it goes much further than being a food day to gorge on Italian food. There's a meaning behind all of that. Once stood a church right here, and that's why this location was chosen for our San Gennaro display. Let's take a walk up. See, quite acknowledged by some of the visitors who are here for more than just the food. If you're here just for food, there's nothing wrong with that. It is called the Feast of San Gennaro. We'll take a walk over to the poster, and you can see this year's. Again, it is the 96th annual Feast of San Gennaro, September 15th through the 22nd. The Grand Marshal was NASA astronaut Michael Massimino. And now on to the brief version of San Gennaro. San Gennaro was thrown to the animals to be, I think, arrested at one point and survived. San Gennaro's blood also rejuvenated itself during a religious ceremony. And so what we are celebrating to a modified degree is the belief that everything is going to be okay. You have to have your faith and your beliefs. And that is why we're celebrating with a feast. Real modified, because that's not what today is mostly about. Now, if you wanted that side of Italian culture, you can most certainly get that. There is a procession with the Feast of San Gennaro statue that goes up and down the block, similar to the way the Mexicano celebration of Our Lady of Guadalupe is celebrated. Now, how do I like to celebrate the Feast of San Gennaro? It's actually stopping at the restaurants, because many of them will have Italian singers right on the sidewalk singing old songs of yesteryear, bringing new life to them today. And so there's actually a truck where they have a concert that happens. So if you wanted to actually sit and listen to classic Italian music sung street side, that is something that happens here. The food, of course, is the celebration, but it's also an amusement park. If you go down some of these side streets, we'll take a walk and a look down Hester Street. You can see there are some carnival type rides. Toss the ball in the bowl and go home with a goldfish. And that makes sense because it is the last official hurrah of summer, the last summer carnival, as we're about to go pumpkin picking. The autumn season rolls in already next weekend. The last hurrah of summer. We'll do a little bit more of a walk. Again, the 19th is the day that this is, September 19th is the day that this is honored in Naples, Italia. But New York, you could come every single day of the San Gennaro feast and you will be able to dine outside. And that's part of the pleasure of being here, is you get to smell the Italian kitchen as you walk down the block. Now, if you're here and it's not San Gennaro Day, you can see right behind these umbrellas, these restaurants are all here. So you can partake, but there's a special vibe when everyone's out on the street, they're cooking on the street, and there's special foods are available. The people will come in from Staten Island, Brooklyn, Queens, Jersey. Some people will fly in just for the experience, and I really recommend it. Take a table, get some pasta, enjoy yourself, but come with someone, share this experience with someone. Look at these tables. These people are having themselves a good time. All right, that's a quick walkthrough. Now, what if you are not Italian? Are you still welcome here? Of course. It's New York. Everybody is here. If you're a New Yorker, it's your festival too. So don't feel you're not included if you are not Italiano. Just another reason to say it. I love New York. All right, that's your quick walkthrough. Look at that view. The Empire State Building. Oh, I had the pleasure of actually filming with my friends Fran and Kelly, Happy Trans Girl Like Me. The music video and the short film right here. Look for that. It's still actually running in some international film festivals. Christmas in New York, all year round. Again, we're on Mulberry Street. It's got to be getting good here. It's getting busy. And remember from the beginning, this is Tuesday. Can you imagine the enthusiasm for this event on, say, Friday night or Saturday? All right, we'll go off real quick so you can see the dining environment that's actually here all year round. I have eaten here at this restaurant. I would gladly go back. And look, there are seats inside. How are prices? $16, $16, $25, $22. So we're looking 25 and below. And that again, that's the quick glimpse. I'm gonna put the camera down and start enjoying some of San Gennaro myself. Till next time, from Little Italia.